Setting up your Kärcher pressure washer really is very easy. All you need is a water supply and somewhere safe to plug it in. Every Kärcher pressure washer comes supplied with a standard hosepipe adapter, but if you are drawing from a water butt, the suction hose and filter kit screws directly onto your machine. A mains-fed garden hosepipe should be at least 15 metres long. This will help give you an even supply. And use a free-flowing hosepipe adapter on the end of your hose. Connect the water supply and turn on the tap, then squeeze the trigger until water is running freely through the machine in a steady stream. This will remove airlocks in the system. Now connect to a power supply. Turn on your Kärcher pressure washer at the switch and you will hear the motor activate for a few seconds, then stop. This is quite normal. It's just your machine pressurizing itself. Got that? Great! Let's have some fun. Let's clean with Karcher. To pack your Karcher pressure washer away, turn off the machine and turn off your water supply. Pull the trigger to release the remaining pressure, then remove the hosepipe from the machine. Remove the high pressure hose and to flush through the last few drops of water left inside the pump, turn the machine back on for 5 seconds and then turn it off again. This action is especially important during the winter months. Excellent! Your pressure washer is now ready to be stored away, ready for its next Karcher adventure.